Hey, what's going on? We're at the weekend market in Hanoi. This only happens Friday through Sunday, and we're only here for one night before we head out to Ha Long Bay for a cruise. So we're gonna eat our weight, and if you name it, they're selling it here. Let's go have a look. Okay, let the festivities begin. We just rolled up on this spot because we liked the authentic nature of the stooping. They brought us something before we ordered it. It's some kind of salad, beef salad, I think. So here it is, beef salad at the Hanoi night market. This seems like a fitting place to start because we actually didn't know what we were ordering. We just saw a bunch of people sitting down with bowls, and it seems like the authentic type of place in that there's no tourists here and there's no menu. Maybe there's a menu, but we didn't see one, and it seems to be they just bring you what the best thing that they make is, and in that case it's the a spicy beef salad. It's kind of like beef jerky on here. You've got heavy cilantro. I believe that is young papaya because it reminds me a lot of the Thai style papaya salads. Chili pepper and a lot of rice vinegar. So it's a bombastic concoction to start the night here at the Hanoi weekend market. So we landed wheels down on the tarmac at about 4 o'clock today. Welcome to Hanoi's Old Quarter. Immediately had a Banh Mi sandwich.
Banh Mi sandwich.
Went and had a little respite afterwards, and then hit the night market. Just had our nice meat salad to set the base, a couple of beers, and rather than go straight away to something more savory and meaty like a stick full of meat, we had to cool down with coconut ice cream.
All I ever want is to eat things in their own bodies.
How does one cross the street here?
You find a cute little old lady and you follow her across the street.
Where is she?
You kind of hide behind her. I don't have
Where's
one.
the cute old lady?
I don't have one right now. I'm the cute old lady right now. And I didn't die.
There's all these cute little roadside vendors selling all kinds of things, and one of the things they're selling is beer. The beer price here is the cheapest in the world, so we have a lot to toast to tonight. Great. Come on. Thank you. Cheers. Cheers. What never ceases to amaze me at markets like these is the sheer scope and variety of junk. Literally everything from bejeweled pendants to fake baby Gucci to shoelaces, maybe a few fidget spinners, and all the food, fruit, ice cream, frozen dried ice cream. And the whole time you're playing chicken with the oncoming motorbikes. And the strangest part about all of it is that there are customers for all of these things. That it's not just like these stalls operating in a vacuum. Like, this is a bustling market and people are buying this crap. It's amazing. I didn't get enough banh mi the first go around, so I had to double down on it. This one has 3 skewers of grilled chicken on it, some homemade pickles, a lot of chili sauce. I think I saw a little bit of egg and some cinnamon. Cheers. Okay, consensus on the Hanoi weekend market. Definitely worth a visit. Come with a big appetite and only a little bit of money. When I mean a little bit of money, I mean a little bit of money. 10 bucks, 20 bucks maximum is gonna get you to eat till you drop, drink as much as you want, make sure to stay hydrated because it gets so hot. And just like any big night market around the world, mind your valuables. There are a lot of people here. Don't get swindled. Make sure you get the prices up front because otherwise it might be a fluctuating price depending on who you are. And we've got to get up early, go to Ha Long Bay tomorrow. So I'm signing off. I'm gonna have sweet, sweet dreams of banh mi tonight.
Banh Mi is essentially just the Vietnamese version of a French baguette.